Hey, what's up, guys? This is EcombyNik, and this is just a short announcement. Um, I don't know, maybe you have seen me on YouTube or social media, and what I do, I have built brands since 2007. I have built brands on Shopify since 2008, and I have done multi 100,000, 1 multi-million brands, and I have also sold brands. So I have done this for a very long time, and since I started this channel, the question I get all the time is, how do I start? How do I start dropshipping? How do I start ecom? What is micro branding? What is branding? How do I do ads? How do I do image ads? How do I scale? What structure should you have on your ads 2025? And it's a lot of questions, and I think people also are a little bit afraid of taking the step. So actually what I have done is that I have built something. I've taken all the knowledge I have from all the years in the business, and I put it together in a program, I would say. So I will release this September 18th on my website, EcombyNik.com. And this is for if you want to start. It's for if you have a brand and you want to scale. If you have a brand that's doing really well and you don't know what to do with it, if you want to prepare it for exit, or this includes everything. So it's really cool. It's something I'm quite proud of that I have done, and it had taken a lot of time to do, of course. So what I want you to do is to go to EcombyNik.com and sign up. You have nothing to lose to sign up, and then you will see September 18 what it is. So yeah, this was just a quick announcement. But if you have been following me for a while, you know that I drop a lot of info about ecom, and I think you should sign up, and you will see September 18th what this is. EcombyNik.com. I hope I see you there.